So if you're thinking of buying a new smartphone, then the coming month is bringing bumper options for you. Yes, friends, many companies are now going to launch their new smartphones in the month of September. And apart from Poco, Redmi, Realme, Apple event 2024 has also been teased. Yes, the new iPhone 16 series is going to be launched in the September month, and that's on 9th of September. So without delay, let us tell you which phones are going to be launched in the month of September that potentially can be bought by you people. So let's start with the first smartphone. This is going to happen. Yes, these are going to be Redmi Note 14 series. Yes, Redmi can launch its Note 14 series in India. The exact date is not known yet, but yes, it's going to happen in September. The lineup is likely to be first unveiled in China, and after that, it's going to be launched globally, including India. In this, you'll basically get to see three models: the Redmi Note 14, Note 14 Pro, and Note 14 Pro Plus. And yes, this is all going to be in the Redmi Note 14 series. You'll get 1.5K AMOLED display, 120Hz of refresh rate. With its Pro variant, you can see Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 SoC, and we will show you all the detailed video later on. So that was from the Redmi series that we told all about it. Up next is the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Talking about the specs, 6.67 inches PLS LCD screen is what you're going to get, and the processor is going to be MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. The smartphone can be launched in mid of September. Not much is known about this phone, but according to the information that we have, this phone will come with 5000 mAh of battery and a 25 watts of fast charging. Well, it's going to be based on the latest Android. This phone will cost you somewhere around 15 to 17,000 rupees. And next is the Poco. Yes, Poco usually launches its X series in February or March, but the Poco Xs Neo launching this March 2024 that we already show you. Yes, it's hard to believe that now the Poco X7 Neo will be launching in September. The BI certification is to be believed. It could be possible. For now, let's take a look at its expected features. We're talking about the Poco X7 Neo. It is likely to come with the MediaTek 7200 chipset, the 120Hz of refresh rate, and AMOLED display. It'll have the Dolby Atmos speakers and will boast about 68 watts of charging. And yes, given the aggressive pricing, the Poco X7 Neo can be launched around 25,000 rupees. Up next, about the Infinix Hot series, the 50 series is going to be here, which will be launching in the September month. The screen will be 6.78 inches with 120Hz of refresh rate, and the processor that you'll get is MediaTek Dimensity 6080. And what's there as a USP? It's going to be happening. Yes, this one will have 108 megapixel of camera, 5000 mAh of battery with 18 watts of charging, which will be all there in this smartphone. Yes, and at the same time, people, the date of Apple event 2024 has been announced. Like we told you, it's going to be 9th of September. We'll give you all the details the day Apple 16 series is going to be launched. It'll come with 4 models of 16 series, and it's going to be 16 Plus, 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max. And yes, we will make a separate video about each specification of these smartphones once they are launched, along with other announcements that they do on the same day. So these were the smartphones that can be launched next month, and yes, that is September. Rest, you tell us in the comments which smartphone are you waiting for and you're planning to buy, and something that you need to know personally, do write in the comment section and we'll tell you all about it.